Okay, so we're going to go ahead and read this book, and then I drew my own freight train, which I would encourage you guys to do as well. Although I know the front car is supposed to be black, but I made it pink and purple. Got a little crazy. All right, freight train. A train runs across this track. Red caboose at the back. Orange tank car next. Yellow hopper car. Green cattle car. Blue gondola car. Purple box car. A black tender and a black steam engine. Freight train. Moving. Going through tunnels. Going by cities. Crossing trestles. Moving in darkness. Moving in daylight. Going, going, gone. Bye-bye train. The end. Okay, so now we're going to go over some letters. We're going to start with this page. I tried to copy them exactly right. Mediocre job. I'm sure you guys could do better. So I want to encourage you guys and challenge you to try and draw your own train cars or your own train tracks. And if you have your own train tracks at home, go ahead and build one. Try to make it as long and as big as you can make it. Okay, so what color is this? This says red caboose at the back. So if you said red, you were right. So we have red. Now, red starts with the letter R. Red. So the letter R makes a sound. Red. Ed. Red. So can you say that with me? Red. R sound. Then we have, what's this letter? E. Then we have, what's this letter? D. R-E-D spells red. Okay? And then, rojo is how you say red in Spanish, which also starts with an R. Rojo. Can you say rojo? You guys got it. So we have R and R making the R sound. Okay, let's go to the next one. All right, what color is this? It says orange tank car next. So we have orange. What letter does orange start with? Oh, you're exactly right. Orange. Do you know what letters these are? O, R, A, N, G, E spells orange. Okay? Now what is orange in Spanish? Naranja. You're exactly right. Now naranja, I'm not going to spell the entire word, starts with this letter. Makes an N sound. Naranja. Same with next, nice, nose. Letter N. Very, very good. All right, our last car in this section. What color is it? Yellow. Yellow hopper car. Okay, what letter do you think the word yellow starts with? Yellow. Yellow starts with a Y and makes a Y sound. Can you say Y? Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. And then, what is yellow in Spanish? Amarillo. Muy bien. So, amarillo starts with the same, it starts with the first letter of the alphabet. What letter is that? A. Amarillo. Very, very good. Okay, so let's move on to the next portion. All right, what color is this guy? Green cattle car. Green. What letter does green start with? If you said G, you're correct. green. Very good. Green. Green spells green. Now, what's green in Spanish? Verde. Muy bien. Verde. Starts with a V. Verde. Green. V. Okay. Next one. Blue gondola car. So what letter does blue start with? B. Blue. What letter is this? B. You're exactly right. Blue. B-L-U-E. Awesome. Now what is blue in Spanish? You guys know this. Azul. You're exactly right. So azul starts with the same letter as amarillo. An A. Very good. Azul. A. All right. Next one. Purple boxcar. You guys know that's purple. What letter does purple start with? P, p, p. Purple. Starts with a P. U-R-P-L-E. Purple. What is purple in Spanish? You guys remember? Morado. So what letter does morado start with? That sound. M. Very good. Beautiful. Now we gotta turn the next page for the black tender and the steam engine. Although I did not, like I mentioned before, I did not draw a black steam engine. My black marker was running out, so I had to make do. Okay, all right, we have a black tender. So, this is black. What letter does black start with? B, black. Same as blue. The letter B. B-L-A-C-K. Now, what is black in Spanish? Anybody remember? Negro. Negro starts with the letter N. Same as naranja. Very good. Okay. Now, what color is this? Starts with the same letter as purple. It's pink. What letter does it start with? P, p, makes the P sound. P-I-N-K spells pink. And in Spanish, it's rosa. What letter is this? Same as rojo and red. R. Very, very good. So now we did all our colors and the letters. Now I want to do some counting. So I want to try and see how many wheels are on this entire train. Okay? So hopefully you can see from my drawing. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you guys know what shapes these are? We didn't go over them in my shape video because it was hard to make this shape with sticks. But this is a circle. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right. Wow, that's a lot. So we could either add 4 plus 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 5, or we can just count all the wheels. Together now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So we have 33 wheels. So we have this number 3, number 3. This would be 33. Can you say that with me? 33. Muy bien. All right. Like I said before, I challenge you all to draw your own train on the train tracks or make your own. I'm sure you guys can do much, much better than I can. Bye for now.